dedicate that to all the trolls out in YouTube land. Good morning, everybody. It's Buckbuster coming at you. It's about 5:53 in the morning. I'm on my way to my local Walmart. I've got some intel that there's going to be a 3-case drop, 2 cases of Automatch, and a case of 555, just like I had at my local to work store yesterday morning. But I'm going to try to get down early enough that I don't get snookered out of my 555s, hopefully. But I was in there last night about, it was about 7 o'clock, did my Flint scanning and everything showed 0, so thought, well, let me find somebody with tails on. And I had a guy check those barcodes and it showed in transit on both of them, and he told me that they hadn't received the truck yet, so I'm hoping they're going to be on, was hoping that they're going to be on that truck, but if not, it was a drive for nothing. But stick with me, we'll pick it up at the store.
Sunday morning, banging my head. No time for morning, ain't got no time. And I said, oh, so
I take it that's Lexan instead of glass, huh?
Yeah.
I've done that, didn't I?
Yeah.
Know which one you want?
Yeah, I want 3 of those. Yeah, those. Have a good day, man.
You too.
Alright guys, back at the house. Guess you saw from the footage, I got the same drop that my local to work Walmart got yesterday. So I was down there early this morning and I was the only one in line till right at 7, and one guy come in behind me, but got my 3 555s. Today's date, 7/15. So I went back down there. It's about 11:30, and they still had plenty of the Automatch, so got me 3 of those at the same $17.42 price they were at my other Walmart. Today's date at 11:39. Anyway, I feel better about today than I did yesterday, getting snookered on that case of 555s yesterday, so made up for it. So I appreciate you guys watching. Talk at you later. Buckbuster out.